Ever wondered how to make an awesome YouTube intro or a Christmas video intro? Well, we have an easy solution for you. Hi, I'm Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator, and today I'm going to show you how to easily make a stunning YouTube video intro. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. The perfect video intro usually requires designing graphics, shooting video, animating and editing, and this can lead to a great finished product. But it can also be a lot of work, a lot of money, and maybe it's not something that you're prepared to do. But the good news is that it doesn't have to be that complicated. All you need is a customizable video template. This will speed things up and make the whole process a lot easier. Here at Wondershare DemoCreator, we've included a bunch of elements. For now, let's assume you found the intro you want to use, and we can get to edit it with ease. If you don't yet have Wondershare DemoCreator, there's a link in the description below for a free trial. There are two places to find animated intro templates. The first one is to go to the Captions tab and choose the Openers. The other is to go to the Templates tab and choose the effect you want. Since it's nearly Christmas at the time of filming this video, let's take the Christmas opener as an example. From here, you can drag and drop the template onto the timeline to start customizing it to fit your needs. You can edit the text, font, size, color, text border to fit your video theme. The last thing you need to add is some music. Import your music file and drag it from the library onto a separate track on the timeline. You can split the file and cut out the unneeded parts. Then, right-click the music track and edit audio. You can change the volume, fade in, and fade out. Okay, I think that looks all good. Let's give it a quick preview. Nice. We have tons of other amazing templates ready for you to use. I'll quickly show you a few of them here. Wondershare Film Stocks, a massive library of useful video assets, are soon to be integrated within DemoCreator. So we will be bringing you even more amazing video templates, music, and other materials to make your videos come to life. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So there we go, now you know how to easily create a stunning YouTube video intro. This will really help to upgrade the production value of your videos without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips to make your videos stunning. Make sure you remember to download Wondershare DemoCreator in the description below if you haven't already. And if there's anything else that you need to know, comment below. I'll see you next time.